name is Alan Rakatungu. I am the CEO and co-founder of Xente. So Xente is a financial technology company. So we have built a business neobank. So we've built this platform that businesses in Uganda and soon the rest of Africa are able to use to make payments to their teams, suppliers, and other beneficiaries using modern payment methods. You can use a Visa card like this, issue it to your team members. You can use mobile money. You can also do bank transfers on Xente. But most importantly, we've built finance automation on top of that bank account. So your teams can request for money, get it approved, attach documentation, and we can even send that data to your finance ERP. So if you think about anyone who's like in finance and the admin department, they have really like two big things they do, right? So they deal with money and it's in the bank, okay? Then they have to account for that money, usually in the accounting ERP. So what we do really is that we bring those two together, right? So we process the payment. Some of our customers include the likes of Jumia, Mkopa, UAP, and now even NSSF. So they're using our platform to basically manage what you'd call petty cash. So they, if I was to give an example of say like Jumia, they have agents in the field, so they use our platform to pay them and then also account for that money and reconcile that money. So that's our sweet spot really, is that little cash, like from 10K to $1 million, that it gives you a headache, but you need to account for it, you need to reconcile it, you need to know where all your money is going. Yes. So businesses have certain challenges that when they make payments that I think can be uniquely solved through Visa. The first one is when they make online payments, right? For things like maybe Google or Microsoft or QuickBooks, any other subscription software. What a lot of businesses will do is that they'll use their personal cards, okay? And that's wrong, okay? Because you shouldn't, first of all, mix your personal money and your business money, right? And then it also creates a reconciliation nightmare. One of the products that we have is a virtual card for businesses that you can use to pay for all your online subscriptions. But we also issue physical cards, and this one is perfect for offline scenarios, okay? The reason our card is special or different from what the banks give you is that you can apply policy, other people call it controls, onto the card. So you can decide that this card can only be used at fuel stations. So that is fantastic, because now you have a fuel card that works at any petrol station. So it's a very versatile card, and every time you transact, the transactions flow to your finance people, so reconciliation is real time. We have a fantastic partnership with Visa, which has allowed us to become the first fintech in East Africa to issue a corporate card. Now, I think the unique challenge for doing a technology startup in Africa is that our markets are very shallow. If your ambition is to grow very big, build a large company, which is our ambition. We want to build a multi-million-dollar company. You can't look at Uganda as your only market. You have to think about expanding outside of Uganda, and that requires quite a bit of capital. Xente, we see ourselves as the company that is going to move African businesses into this global economy, okay? Because the global economy has a much wider market, it's more liquid, okay? And so that's our responsibility, okay? That's where we see ourselves fitting in. So for us, going to Dubai is just another step in realizing that vision. Okay, so if we can find partnerships, if we can find investors who are able to, connect Middle East trade with Ugandan trade, with African trade, so that payments are seamless, so that finance operations are seamless, we'll have achieved our objectives. Actually, I think we even want, a lot of people see Uganda as gorillas, subsistence agriculture, maybe mini industrialization, right? But our biggest asset is we have a lot of people, a lot of youthful people with great minds. We're young, we're bright, we have ideas that we can spread to the world. I would encourage people who are young not to waste their time, but to use their brains to think, right? Because that is our greatest resource right now.